piece of paper, a marker, a ruler, and something circle. To begin your design, draw out a square using the ruler. Once you have your square, you can start on your design. You can design it however you like. I started with some curved lines in the corner and then moved on to some straight lines with the ruler. You want to try and fill as much of the space as possible, so a thicker marker might be better for this. But I started adding overlapping shapes and longer lines across the whole square to try and fill as much as I could. As you can see here, I added some more lines and circles, and you can just continue with this until you've filled as much of the space as you would like to fill. Now you want to take a photo of your design from the top and put that into our design tool, Figma. Now using our shape tool, we will place our image in the top left corner, and you want to fill about a quarter of the designated square. Here I'm just adjusting the picture to take up about a quarter of the screen, and you can see the red lines across it that indicate when I have covered exactly a quarter of the page. Now that we have our first and second design in place, you can copy them and put them on the bottom left and right corners. As you can see in the video, you'll want to grab it from the top and bring it all the way down so you can make a mirror image and it all matches up in the center. And then you will do the same thing with your fourth image on the bottom right hand corner. From here, we make it into a circle using our shape tool and holding shift while creating the circle to keep everything even. Now we move the circle into the center of the page and right click on it and press Use as Mask. And then you go over to the left and grab it and put it below the other layers, and your mandala is complete. After completing the mandala, you will highlight everything go over on the right to export and choose a PDF and then export it however you want to. For the final step, you print it out and cut around the circle and your project is complete.